An automated storage carousel system can be locked. You'll see the operator uses a key or even a keypad. Once they open that secured box up, what they want to do is they want to hit the level that will rotate around to them. So as this rotates, it's bringing all of the material to a perfect ergonomic height for the user. A unit like this can store almost anything. And you can even do what they call a double tier on one level to even maximize your cube inside of the machine even more. The unit does rotate in both directions to bring the level to you as quick as possible. And after this user accesses their small or large items, they will lock the cabinet back up, secure it with a key or a keypad to make sure that your inventory is controlled.